We were looking at this idea of solving to find out what x is. Here's our example. It goes 3x plus 4 is equal to 13. Remember, solve means to find out what does x mean? What number would have to stand in place of x to make that equation be true? And what we looked at last time was to say that anything you do on the left you do on the right, and our job is to try and undo the things that have been done to our x. Well, it's had 4 added to it. What we'll do is subtract 4. That's the arrangement. If you do it on the left, you must do it on the right as well. That's no problem, and that's what we're going to do. Well, let's remember, though, that by doing plus 4 minus 4, effectively what we're doing is taking that 4 to the other side. When we take it to the other side, notice what happens. We change the sign. So effectively what we've done is we've taken a plus 4 from here, and we've made it a minus 4 over here. Let's see what we need to do next. Well, it would be a good idea to tidy up. We've decided that 3x at this stage, 13 minus 4 is 9. Let's decide what we have to do. We need to divide, don't we? Our x has been multiplied by 3, so let's cheat. We'll do a divide by 3 here, and if we do it on the left, we'll do a divide by 3 here. Amazingly enough, the 3 and the 3, they cancel out. Well, we knew that would happen. That's exactly why we did it. We only did it so as to get rid of those 3's. That's what we were doing all that for. What it leaves us with is an x on this side and 9 divided by 3 on this side. Once again, what we've got is the idea that here was a multiply by 3, opposite sign, opposite side, we end up dividing by 3. We've got our final answer. X is equal to 3. Let's look at another example with some slightly different skills. Here it is. It's x over 2 minus 4 equals 8. All that we're changing here is that instead of having multipliers, we've got divides, and instead of having adds, we've got subtracts. The same rules apply. If you do it on the left, you must do it on the right. But let's see if we can't just shortcut it. Let's see if we can follow this idea of opposite side, opposite sign. We'll take that minus 4 and we'll pop it over here somewhere. Let's see what we get. We get x, oops, sorry, change that. We get x divided by 2. We've got rid of the minus 4. It's gone to the opposite side, so it becomes plus 4. We can say then that x over 2 equals 12. Next step, we want to take this divide by 2 business, and we want to do something over to the other side. How are we going to do it? Opposite of divide is to multiply. I'll just put it down here. We can get rid of our x divided by 2 by multiplying on the opposite side. Opposite sign, opposite side. Take the same number, it was a 2, do the opposite thing to it. It was divide, it's now multiply. We've got our answer, x equals 24. So it's the same skill as do on the left what you do on the right, but since you know you're only doing that so as to cancel numbers out, a nice way to think of it is to say, let's pick up a number, pop it to the opposite side. If we do that, give it the opposite sign.